Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Maya Ki Pathshala Pura Gyan. In this video we're going to know about the kinds of sentences. Before that I'm going to tell you about the what is the sentences. So let's get started. When we are reading this sentence, his is name Ranveer. Have you felt something weird or incomplete? Right, because his name is Ranveer. When the sequence of the sentence and the words and the full stop and lots of other rules we already know about that, I am assuming that. So if it is not making any sense, so it means it is not a sentence. Like if I'm reading this, I live in Delhi, so it makes sense that I'm talking about myself living where in Delhi. Here I live Delhi in, so it is not making any sense. So whenever we are writing anything which makes sense, okay, you will get to know with whom we are talking, for what about we are talking, like anything it is crystal clear, you understood the concept, you make you can understand from that sentence any instruction, it is sentence. So basically पढ़ के अगर आपको समझ आ रहा है किसकी बात हो रही है, किससे बात हो रही है, क्या बात हो रही है, इट मीन्स वो सेंटेंस करेक्ट है बिकॉज इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको मिल रही है. सो अब हम करेंगे काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस के बारे में थोड़ा सा जानकारी लेंगे. एज यू नो व्हाट इज सेंटेंस, नाउ कम टू second chapter, this and this is kind of sentences. See, there are 4 types of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Okay, first is assertive. Assertive sentence, a sentence that state or says something, is called an assertive sentence or statement. It may be either affirmative or negative. Okay, like they are playing in the garden. My brother lives in Delhi. They are not playing in the garden. My brother does not live in Delhi. It can be negative, it can be positive, it can be statement. Okay, assertive. Then interrogative means questioning. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. It also known as question, like who, why, what, where, all the question which start with the WHO. Like we use an interrogation mark, like this is question mark at the end of interrogative sentence, like why are you looking sad today, how many brothers do you have, what is your name, etc. Okay, so basically assertive means any statement or any kind of sentence which tells you about something or anything. Interrogative means questions, WHO questions, why, how, who. Okay, and imperative sentence, a sentence that describe or represent an order, an advice, a request or suggestion, proposal or permission is called imperative sentence. Like open the door, command. Let us play, request. Let me sleep, request. Please help me, request. So these are the imperative sentence. Then exclamatory means the emotion which connect with the emotion. A sentence that express a sudden or strong feeling is called exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory mark also we use in grammar as well. An exclamatory sentence may start with an interjection, alas, hooray, oh ho, and each of these interjections always has an exclamation marks. Yeah, exclamation marks after it. Alas, we are undone. Hooray, we have won the match. So, an exclamatory sentence may also start with what and how. In that case, we put the exclamation mark at the end of the sentence, like, what a beautiful flower it is. This is the mark. How delicious the food is. So, this is the marks. Then remember, let's see what we have learned today. A sentence that describe or state negative meaning is called a negative sentence. All sentences can be written in negative by using not, no, never, etc. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Till then, take care. Thank you.